What are you thinking?
Bloody Christ, man. Yeah, she's a bit of decoked her. I need my Danish on.
You're telling me?
Christ, I'm stiff as a carrot. I'm buzzing like a carrot. I can't help it, man.
Oi! What doesn't look right?
They're all over.
He feels a bit lost because he's got no gold.
Ain't got the gold on.
Here we are then, Bullhead's about to
Yeah, I've
experience.
just come back from Thailand.
He's just come back from Thailand. He's been on holiday for 3 weeks.
Then he said, give me the, he said, I've done some upgrades.
And I said, try this, mate.
Yeah,
It's
wait. Come on, it's just about to do it.
it's frightening.
Yeah, I'm going to see it.
Ready?
I laugh at danger. Yeah, I'm going to stack it.
Hope not. Well, he backed off then. Maybe there's someone walking. Here she play. Oh, look at him.
I got somebody coming.
Have you? Whoa! Whoa! You don't know what you're doing. I can't hear. Little bit. See, it's pretty dangerous, isn't it? He's turning, they must be getting close. It's only got 70% battery as well, so it's not full power. All right. Here we go. I don't think he could imagine what sort of power that can produce. You better, yeah.
Yeah, he got all on here.
What are you thinking?
Bloody Christ, man. Yeah, she's a bit of decoked her. Yeah, I've decoked her. Yeah, she needs more. I can smell her.
What?
Yeah, hang on, we've got somebody coming.
Okay. Right. Let's pause for a second.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Is it?
I can't, yeah.
Your gold's gone.
Oh, no.
That would have pulled your bracelet up.
No, I would have done it. No, yeah, hold on to the old gas.
Yeah,
She
right.
started lifting.
Well, give it. Yeah, I know what it does. Bottom end. You try lifting. It's hovering.
Yeah, hovering she was, wasn't she?
It's lethal. He's going to be off in a minute. You be careful. That'd be a lot of money he owes me if he washes out. It's quick, isn't it? You can see that. He's going to wreck my suspension.
I'm trying to tear my arms off. Are you going to let it?
Nutter. You probably can't see, but he's practically trying to look behind at the camera all the time. No, but you're making me worry, Bullhead. You're making me worry. Oi! He is seriously worrying me now. This isn't any... This isn't a putsch SurRon now, mate. No helmet, Crocs, perfect. Oh, you're worrying me now. Oh, I'm worried. I'm worried for your safety.
Oh, no, I'm going too mad.
Look.
I need to be able to tow Denise.
No helmet.
No, I can't. I'll put it.
Crocs.
Yeah, what? And she's completely decoked. I know I got to calm down though, man, but I can't.
No. Oi.
I'll turn it around.
You don't need to.
Yeah, I know I got to calm down though, man. I got my heat-proof Crocs on. I need my Denise on.
You're telling me?
Guys, I'm stiff as a carrot. I'm buzzing like a carrot. I can't help it, man.
Oi! You will help it in a minute, bullhead. Bullhead, I'll drop you off there.
Yeah, I know.
Oi.
I've got to stop, man. I'm getting carried away.
I'm going to drop you with an axe
Stop,
kick.
I'm gonna. I got to.
I know.
I got to, man.
I've got to stop you.
I'll turn it off. Are you have a go?
No,
No, well, let me have a go for you.
it is pretty.
What a difference.
Yeah, what a difference. That is what I'm getting at.
Oh no, I got to have a breather. This pool got me all pumped up again.
Gather your thoughts. Where are you pumped up? You just reminded me. You got arm pump.
No, I love it.
From a SurRon.
No, I get him. You get crazy.
Yeah, so it's saying it's 12,000 watts now. Do you reckon that feels about right? Oh, you just reminded me. Turn again.
I need more power. It's not, I want more.
You just reminded me. I got some ironing to do in a bit,
Yeah,
so
I
we
know,
got to make
flat
this
back.
quick.
Oh,
Yeah, flat back like that.
Oh, I know, but what an absolute thing, though. Wouldn't it? She would never lift like that.
No, I know.
She would never lift. She wants to go.
It is.
I need to get the Denise on. Yeah, that's too much.
I know now.
I'm getting all excited.
It's no toy, is it? It's not a toy now. It's a death trap.
It's
Wow.
a death trap, and I love it.
If you're out of control, you could hurt yourself.
Absolutely, I know. I need to.
But it's got your approval.
Absolutely, no more. I can't keep.
It's
off
got
it.
your
It's
stamp of
Denise.
approval.
I need some Denise head to toe on it.
Have you been dyeing your hair
No
again?
need, do I? His son doing it.
What's that? Your hairband's nearly come out.
Oh, and I mean, it has.
It nearly-
I put my Alice band on.
It pulled your Alice
Yeah, it
band
did, I
out.
didn't want that happening.
The G's you were feeling, but
Yeah, I was pulling. Must be pulling more G's.
the tyres as well.
Yeah, I
they
think
help.
They made it grip. But
Definitely.
she never lifted like that before.
No, you were coming past me. I hope I got it on video, but I was actually really concerned for your safety.
So was I though, but it felt full control. I loved it.
Yeah,
Oh, what?
but it's what you're wearing if it did
Yeah,
go
I said,
wrong.
yeah.
And that bike now
No,
costs.
is it now though? It felt. I felt in control, but I've got to count. Yeah.
That isn't no 4.
Let's put the toy away.
Yeah, all
Put the
right.
toy away. We need to be Danised up.
And you got work tomorrow.
Yeah, I have my first day back.
All right, good man.
Yeah.
Stamp
loved
of
it.
approval.
Loved it. I'm gonna.
Douche.
Let's get it out again. Brilliant.